Blessed love, my peeps. So I'm here doing a fruit tasting, an exotic fruit tasting. I got this fruit at the Ujima Farmers Market today. It was $600 a pound, and this is half pound. So I got this for 300 Jamaican dollars, which is about $2 US. I got it for 300 Jamaican dollars. So this fruit is called the black sapote, and I'm going to, okay. So this fruit is called the black sapote. I'm going to show you what it looks like. And when it's ripe, it's soft. So let me show you that, you can see that it's soft, because when I press, you can, ooh, oh my gosh, I don't want you to see what it looks like before I open it. So this is the first time I'm going to be eating the black sapote. So I wanted to share with you, just in case you have never seen the black sapote, you don't know what it looks like. And I'm also going to be telling you what it tastes like, and if I like it or if I don't like it. So let's go. All right, let's do this. Ooh, so soft. Feels so, ooh, look at that. Oh, I've never seen a fruit. Oh my gosh. This is what inside looks like. Dark, like a dark chocolate brown. Oh my gosh. So now I'm going to taste it and let you know what it tastes like. Ooh. Okay. It's almost like it doesn't have a strong taste. It's very, very, very mild, kind of almost tasteless. But the texture is very smooth. So this can be used to make like a smoothie, for a smooth, creamy, or a shake, because it's very like a smooth, creamy kind of texture. When breadfruit is ripe, that kind of texture, that's the texture, but it really does, it's almost tasteless, almost tasteless. So basically it's something that I would eat even though it don't have a taste. Yeah, it's like a tasteless pudding. It's like a tasteless pudding. If you have ever tasted the black sapote before, let me know how you would describe it, because I can hardly think of the words to describe what this tastes like. So let me know how you would describe it. And if you have never tasted it before, let me know if it's something that you would try. Black sapote. Yay! Until my next fruit tasting, blessed love.